I think it's about time that a pro racer takes this beast for a spin. That man right there, he's a former junior world champion, a former European champion, and a two-stroke expert as well. He's going to take the Black Panther for the ride of its life today, and there might also be a special twist. Let's do this. The Black Panther is our latest build here on 999 Laser. It's a 600cc fuel-injected two-stroke monster powered by the PM09 motor from Panthera, and it packs one hell of a punch with more than 70 horsepower. And in this video we are going to have a pro racer show us its true potential. But the Panther isn't the only big bore beast we have with us today. So the second machine with us here at Doncaster Motor Park is Kong. Kong is our fuel-injected BRC 500 that we built on the channel a few years ago using a TC300 as our donor bike. Kong has never failed to impress and has defeated all competition it's been put up against so far. But today will be its toughest test yet. Riding both machines will be Mr. Steve Clarke. He's a pro rider who has raced all across the world. You might recognise him as the man who rode a YZ85 within an inch of its life on this channel last year. But he's also a big bore expert as well, with plenty of experience on the CR500s, which I'm sure will come in handy today. This is how the test is going to work. Steve will get the opportunity to lay down a few fast laps on each bike, and we'll have Dan on the FPV drone following closely behind so we can all watch and compare. I want you guys to tell me in the comments which bike you think looks and sounds the best and which bike you think Steve looks the fastest on. We'll then hear from Steve before we reveal the lap times to settle the score and reveal the overall winner. Hitting the track first will be Kong. So Steve is away then on board Kong, the fuel-injected 500cc two-stroke, powered by that awesome BRC motor. I'm going to be quiet now so we can watch and enjoy this lap because Steve is going to have this bike singing. That's one lap of Doncaster Motor Park complete then. I'm going to show you 2 fast laps here on both of the bikes, so you can see how Steve improves lap on lap, but also because you can't get enough big bore 2-stroke action. Let's enjoy this second and final lap on board Kong. So do watch carefully and try and compare the 2 machines. We'll be heading straight out on board the Black Panther next, so keep these moments fresh in your mind. All I'll say is it's so cool that there's 2 different companies, Panthera Motorsports and BRC, both Canadian based and both producing big bore 2-strokes for us to enjoy like we are here today. We feel very lucky and very privileged to be able to do this test. Our awesome sponsors 24MX helped us build both of these machines, Kong and the Black Panther 600. They have some awesome deals on their ProWorks product range on the website at the moment. There's a link in the description down below for that. But you can get some awesome discounts on products like the foot pegs that we have on Kong and on the Black Panther. Check out those deals. Like I said, there's a link in the description down below. So there's 2 corners left for Steve and Kong then, before he's unleashed on track on board the Black Panther 600. We are coming to cross the finish line right here. The clock has been on, remember, so we'll find out his times in just a little bit. But first, let's hear his initial reactions of his first ride on Kong.
Just give us a quick first reaction, Steve, to that one.
Oh man, that's mega. You can really enjoy the TBI part side of it, you know, just instant power, and as long as you short shift it, it just keeps pulling and pulling and pulling. It's a beast, that's for sure.
And now it's time for the moment that Steve in particular has been waiting a long time for. Let's get him on track on board the Black Panther. Here we go then. The moment of truth. He is away on board the only 600cc fuel-injected 2-stroke in the nation right now. I think he's going to enjoy this one. Again, I'm going to shut up so we can watch, listen and enjoy this lap. turns left of the first lap here. Again, I'm going to show you 2 flying laps from Steve on board the Black Panther, because I just can't get enough of this action. I don't know about you guys, but this is awesome if you ask me. So let's keep it rolling, shall we? Lap 2 has begun. Again, watch closely and let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments down below. Into the penultimate turn, then there's one final corner left in the lap for Steve and the Black Panther 600. Which bike do you think looked fastest, guys? We'll be finding out the results very, very soon after we hear from Steve. So for the first time ever, we've had a professional racer ride the Black Panther 600. Someone who's actually probably qualified to ride something with that much horsepower has had the chance to take it for a spin. And also for the first time ever, we've put it head to head against one of our 500s, one of the BRC 500s that we've got in the arsenal. Steve, I'll ask you to review both of the bikes first. You rolled out on track today having never ridden either of these things. You went on Kong first. What was your reaction to that? You're quite an experienced 500 rider, right? You got your own CR 500s, but this is a bit different.
Yeah, zero bog, zero hesitation. It was actually unbelievable how much difference it made. I think it's got a counterbalance shaft in it, so there's like no vibration. Honestly, I jumped on it and all I could think was, I wish I had my own suspension and handlebars so I could really let rip on this. But yeah, going out onto it, I kind of left it with no expectations. That's, I think, the best way to do when you're testing bikes. Don't set any expectations, and it exceeded all of what I thought. You know what I mean? It was yeah, wicked. Yeah, loved Kong.
Kong has won pretty much every competition that's ever been placed in, so I did tell you that this morning, so I'll probably set the bar quite high for it.
And also, don't forget what I told you this morning. I watched 99% of your videos, so I've seen that thing in action.
Yeah. Black Panther, on the other hand, is a bit more experimental at the moment. It's not been in many competitions. Me and Sean have ridden it at Fat Cats. That's the only motocross track it's been to. So it's actually quite cool to see it somewhere else, somewhere different, and see a new rider on it. And you rode it pretty hard. What were your thoughts on this beast of a machine here?
Again, wicked. There's so much power that, you know what I mean, like more than you need.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to comprehend that that has got about 20 more horsepower than that.
Yeah.
Not that you could ever use it, I don't think, out there.
To be honest, on a deeper track or like a hilly track, that thing would eat other bikes alive. But it wasn't unrideable. It was a nice, smooth power. The gear ratio was good. It honestly, like, I was really impressed with that, because it's basically an engine from scratch that the guys developed. So yeah, I was really impressed.
It doesn't feel too heavy either, does it?
No, it didn't feel too heavy. It didn't feel unbalanced. It was it was a really well-rounded bike today.
Did that live up to your expectation? I know you was pretty hyped when you got here this morning. When I texted you, said, do you want to come and ride it? I imagine there was a big smile.
I've watched every minute of the build.
Yeah.
I've loved every minute of it as well. It's been great, and to finally get to spin some laps on it was a cool feeling, and it did. You know, like you said, I did build it up a little bit in my head before we got here, but it definitely lived up to its expectations.
Awesome. So as always, we can't do laps here on 999 Laser without getting the stopwatch on. So we did time both laps on Kong and the Black Panther, and I've got the results here that I don't know and you don't know. So let's find out which of the two beasts was fastest today.
Am I allowed to have a guess?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna say Kong was faster. I'm gonna say 1.5 seconds faster than the,
Do you reckon?
the 600. Yeah, just the track had gone away a little bit, and it was this one. I was a little bit in between gears when I was riding it, you know. So I've allowed myself that, you know, 1.5 seconds. I would say is the difference.
Right.
If not, I'm gonna be mega shocked.
So on Kong, a 140.48.
Not bad.
Black Panther, a 140.60.
What? So I was quicker on the Panther?
No, you was quicker on
Oh,
Kong,
okay, yeah.
but by a tenth and a bit.
Wow, so they
So
were...
it's pretty much exactly the
Okay,
same.
yeah. So that one I felt like I was going fast around all the corners, but obviously I was making up for it on the straights.
The A to B speed on that is
It's something
hard
else.
to counter that, even on a 500
Yeah,
fuel
which
injected beast.
was also a beast.
Yeah, I think compared to like Fat Cat where we rode it before, where it's deep and you're just using the power everywhere, it's a bit like skatier here, isn't it?
A bit sliding, yeah.
So it's not, I wouldn't say it's its optimal hunting grounds out there for the Black Panther, but
I mean, it seemed to do
Pretty
pretty
damn
well.
quick, pretty
Yeah,
damn
I'm happy
quick.
with that. Wow.
well, there we go. We've seen a pro take on the Black Panther, and it's always a pleasure to see a pro ride Kong as well. So Steve, thanks for sending it today. Thanks for giving my bikes a stretch of the legs.
Yeah, thanks for letting me have a go, dude. Honestly, I know I've been pestering you about this 600 since you started it, and yeah, it was a pleasure.
Yeah, no, it's great to see you on it. And a big thanks to Ed and Karen at Doncaster Motor Park for having us down today. You can come and ride with us here at Doncaster Motor Park Members Days. They do those once a month. Members can come and ride, and we usually do our video filming on those days. So there's information on that in the description down below. But until next time, guys, I'm Max, that's Steve. You've been watching 999 Laser. Until then, we'll see you at the track.